Hello and welcome. I have a great tip for you today. Have you ever needed to know, down to the minute or second, when an app user answered a specific question or interacted with another field? That's right. You can show or store a timestamp for any control in your forms. Let me show you how this looks in the app. First off, date and time of inspection displays a timestamp that is generated at the start of a form. I simply use the now function, which you will see later. Let's see what happens when a question is answered. A timestamp is generated at the moment that I entered a value. Check out what happens when we take a photo, an updated date and time. It is very common that a timestamp is required at the moment that a signature is captured. Let's see how this was built. Date and time of inspection. Look at the dynamic value. I'm using the now function. Without the format date function, it will only display the date. I want the entire timestamp down to the second. Now for the question field, I have a text box below it with a visibility rule to only show up after the question is answered. The dynamic value is similar to the previous field in that we are using a combination of the now and format date functions. Take a closer look. The data name for the question field can be used within the now function. This will capture the exact moment that the user answers the question. Brilliant. Now we just apply the exact same logic to the remaining fields. The moment of the photo capture and a timestamp for a signature. Super simple and super effective. I hope you find value with the concepts shared in this video. As always, please reach out to our support team with any questions that you might have. They are ridiculously helpful. Looking forward to seeing you again next time.